In this video, I will show you how to order from 1688 Chinese shopping app and JD.com Chinese shopping app or JD.com without any stress. Let me show you how. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and asked me to place order for them from 1688 app and JD.com, and I decided to make a video about it without any stress. So in this tutorial, we're going to start with 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Just like so. Having opened up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you search for product from different supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for product. One of the first ways is to come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can use this camera icon, which allows you to upload product picture sample, and then you are going to see a similar result. Or better still, you can browse by different category up here. If you click on any of the options here, you see different category. Or better still, you click on here, this allows you to see more category. If you click on here now, you see different category of product from different manufacturer in China on 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you are able to search for product, next thing you want to do is to see how you can add the product to cart. I've already had all the products to cart, and next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to fill the product in my cart. Just like so. So these are all the products right here. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and to select the product one after the other and bind this, and bind this, and unbuy this. Next thing we want to do is to simply go ahead and click on here to proceed to the checkout. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, iDoFish, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, Alibaba or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So I'm paying the sum of 92.88 yuan to purchase everything. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I select my Alipay as a means of payment. Then come down below right here, go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then allow the Alipay to connect. Then enter my payment password to complete the payment. Just like so, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. Then I have to go ahead and click on here to go to my profile. Then by the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for on 1688 is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. We have them all right here. Lastly, I'm going to exit from here and I'll come back to my WhatsApp right here and send the proof of payment to the owner of this particular goods right here. So this is the contact right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select attach and then select the proof of payments and say payment done. It's that simple. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and exit from my WhatsApp right here, and the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and proceed to my JD.com or JD shopping app right here. So let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my JD shopping app right here. Allow the JD shopping app to load up just like so. Have you open up your JD shopping app on JD shopping app? After you are able to search for product, then go ahead and proceed to your cart right here in JD shopping app. Just like so. So all the products you have in cart is going to be shown right here. next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the one you want to buy. So I'm going to buy this particular one right here. So I'm going to select it. Then having selected, at this point here, I need to select the size I want for this particular product. I want size 28 right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here. Having selected the product, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, review everything. Just like so, you can see size 28, one pieces right here. Next thing we want to do is to scroll down right here and choose our means of payment. So at the time of making this video, JD.com has a lot of different means of payment. However, you can click on here to see more means of payment in JD, just like what you see right here. But in this tutorial, I'm using my WeChat Pay. For that, make sure you select your means of payment, then go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. I'm paying the sum of 64.60 yuan to purchase this particular shoe from JD shopping app right here. And I'll go ahead and click on pay right here to proceed with the payment, then enter my payment password. Just like so, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on back to vendor. Then here you go. You can see proof of payment right here. Then I'll go ahead and click on here to go back. And go back. And by the time I refresh my profile right here, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we have it. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using JD Shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, IDFIS, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.